Welcome to the Lost City of Luminara, the animation movie. Leela, a curious young girl, flips through an ancient book in a dimly lit library. The book reveals a glowing blue map, dust swirls in the candlelight. Her mischievous monkey companion, Tico, chatters excitedly on her shoulder. The map pulses with magic, revealing a hidden path to the legendary city of Luminara. Leela's eyes widen with determination as she clutches the map and prepares for adventure. Leela steps into a mystical rainforest, vines glowing softly in blue and green hues. Fireflies and luminescent plants light up the path ahead. Strange, oversized flowers move as if alive, whispering in the warm breeze. A winding river glows under the starry sky, leading them deeper into the unknown. Tico swings from a vine, urging Leela forward with playful excitement. Leela kneels beside the shimmering whispering river, listening to its hushed voices. Golden fish with translucent fins whisper an ancient riddle in glowing runes. Mystical stone pillars, covered in carvings, reflect the ethereal blue light. A soft mist rises as Leela deciphers the meaning of the enchanted words. Tico tilts his head in curiosity as the answer begins to take shape in Leela's mind. Leela encounters a towering stone guardian, its golden eyes glowing with wisdom. The guardian's massive hand shifts, revealing a complex stone block puzzle. Vines and moss drape over the ancient figure, showing its centuries-old presence. Tico climbs onto Leela's arm, curiously poking at the moving pieces. With careful thought, Leela slides the final piece into place, unlocking the path ahead. Dark, wispy vines slither around Leela and Tico, their smoky texture exuding mystery. The jungle glows with an airy blue and purple light, enhancing the magical tension. Tico leaps and swats at the vines playfully, but they resist his efforts. The enchanted map in Leela's pocket flickers with a golden glow, revealing a solution. Leela raises the map, and the vines retreat, clearing a way forward. Leela and Tico reach the entrance of Luminara, a breathtaking golden city. Towering crystal buildings shimmer under the moonlight, reflecting its glow. Floating lanterns drift through the air, casting a warm, magical ambience. The grand temple of the Golden Heart radiates pulsing energy in the distance. Leela takes a deep breath, stepping forward into the legendary city. A dark figure, Professor Mordak, hovers over Luminara on a mechanical platform. His glowing red eyes scan the city greedily as his army of robotic creatures descend. The golden light of the city flickers as storm clouds swirl above. Leela stands her ground in front of the temple, protecting the Golden Heart. Tico bares his teeth, ready for battle as Mordak prepares to strike. Leela rushes inside the temple, clutching the radiant golden heart. As she places it back on its pedestal, a brilliant golden light erupts. Mordak is thrown backward, vanishing into a swirling shadow mist. The city is restored, trees bloom brighter, lanterns soar, and magic returns. Tico claps joyfully as Leela smiles, victorious in her quest. Leela watches as Luminara's golden glow fades into mist, disappearing into legend. The enchanted map in her hands vanishes, signaling the adventure's completion. Tico clings to her shoulder, eyes wide with wonder at what they had experienced. Sunlight filters through the jungle, the world returning to its peaceful state. Leela walks away, knowing the legend will wait for the next brave explorer.